Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make shorts video with AI. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be telling you about a new AI that is called Clipwise AI. This AI platform makes it easier than ever to make YouTube videos. All you have to do is to select your language and now give it a prompt of what kind of video you would like to make. Now here it will also give you many visual themes to get you the perfect select you would like to get. Now just select the style you like, and once you click on generate, an amazing video will be generated for you. Another cool feature that they give you is they allow you to use different caption styles to make sure that your videos stand out from the crowd. It is very user friendly and also allows many different templates. One of the great things about Clipwise is the great pricing plan. So either you can go for the free version or the $19 a month or the $29 a month. So why wait? Start creating your own viral videos with Clipwise AI. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.